this button help automatic reverse movement of typewriter. Ribbon movement automatic button, this one. Then we put it here, this side. We put it here. Then rotate. This button is coming, automatically you are touching, then reverse movement is working. Set typewriter case lock release. Note this, right side, then pressing, open, close. This is not automatic. This side and pull. Then you make it this side up. This is the color indicator. This is in this side. Top side is black. Then second position white point, no printing. Central position is not printing, only white position, pencil cutting point. Then red. Always you please use black, otherwise red. Not centralized. Not impression is getting. Then pushing black point, left and right releasing.